Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So due to a slight little bit of an admin error, this vehicle was previously featured on a different number plate. However, we've corrected that issue now. So I'm just going to take you around and show you some of the major talking points and features of this 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in the Astral Blue. You will of course see it's got a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, as well as the stunning 19-inch 442M alloys. Sitting behind those wheels you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and of course that does mean on this car we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. Over the top of the car you'll see the optional extra glass sunroof, which again gives a real nice ambience to the interior, which we'll check out shortly. So now it has got the correct number plate on. It is a 2016 66 reg. We've got the angel light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car we've got the BMW gloss back air breathers, our satin side vinyls, gloss back sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, alongside the very nice sun protection glazing, which does of course come as part of the M Sport Plus package. Moving on to give you a glimpse of the interior, which is this car, we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric movement, memory, and of course heated seats for drivers and passengers. And of course, as I've mentioned, thanks to having that lovely glass sunroof, we get a lot of natural light coming through and giving us a real different feel to the whole of the interior. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, of course. We've also got the superb X-Drive four-wheel drive system, and we'll talk more about that shortly. At the back of the car, you do of course get an Isofix 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, once again all being illuminated with some very nice natural light. Again, showing you off these fantastically presented alloys, which come all the way around with the premium mixed run flats. At the back, we've added both a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser. So as I did mention, of course, it's got that superb X-Drive four-wheel drive system. However, that does not take anything away from your extremely large boot space. You can of course make that even bigger thanks to split folding seats and removable top and bottom partial shelves. You will of course also see there we've got the genuine load liner from BMW, very nice thing to have in there, protects the boot carpet of course. Round at the other side we can of course display for you that the vehicle is in fantastic condition on this side also, and the Astral Blue works very nicely with all of the additions we've made as well. Moving on inside the car, we'll of course run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail, starting of course with the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. And I'll start the car up and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with the satellite navigation, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. I'm also going to slide the sunroof all the way back to let as much natural light in as possible, and already that should have picked up on the camera just how much light that does let in. Going over to the My Vehicle screen, we can check out the service status and service requirements of the car. And you'll see there that the next service is due in 10,000 miles time, which is plenty of time. And we've also got full BMW service history. This vehicle still covered the very low mileage of just over 13,000 miles, so a very, very low mileage example. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, USB and AUX inputs. And of course the fantastic dual climate control, which is where you find the switches for the heated seats. Alongside these paddles for, of course, to control your 8-speed sports automatic gearbox should you choose to. You've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. So there you go, there is a walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe, once again now on the correct registration number plate. So apologies if you did of course check the car out in the first place, but we've now corrected that little issue. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully guys will see yourselves very, very soon. Any further information can of course be obtained by checking out the link in the description. Amongst also there is our contact details in there as well. And hopefully guys will see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.